Thinking about going solar in New York City? You're not alone. Thousands of homeowners are asking the same questions before making the switch. Today, we're covering the top 7 questions people ask solar installers in New York City. Oh, and if you want even more answers, stick around. I'll share where you can find the full list at the end. Number 1. What solar incentives am I eligible for? This is the top question that we hear at Mpower Solar, and for a good reason. Right now, you can claim the 30% federal solar tax credit along with New York State and city incentives. Together, these can save you thousands. But remember, the federal credit expires at the end of 2025, so timing matters. Number 2. Is it better to lease or own my solar system? Both leasing and owning can be smart choices. Leasing makes solar accessible with little to no upfront costs, predictable monthly payments, and immediate savings on your bill. It's a great option if you want the benefits of going solar without the responsibility of system maintenance. On the other hand, ownership unlocks the full long-term value. You keep all the tax credits and boost your home's value. And you're free to enjoy decades of virtually free clean energy. Number 3. How much will solar lower my electricity bill? Solar can dramatically reduce your electric bill. While you'll still have some utility charges like grid connection fees, your overall bill can shrink significantly. And with New York's net metering, the extra energy that you produce gets credited back to you, lowering costs even further. Your solar company representative can give you an exact savings estimate based on your current electricity usage. Number 4. Is my roof suitable for solar? Not every roof is solar ready. Age, shade, orientation, and condition all play a role. If repairs are needed, it's best to take care of these repairs before installation so that your solar system can perform at its best. And here's some good news. Driven by Mpower Solar's commitment to clean energy for all, essential electrical upgrades and roof repairs, excluding new roof installations, are cost-free. That way, you can make the transition without worrying about unexpected expenses. Number 5. What is the total cost of going solar? In New York, the average system costs about $32,000 before incentives. But with incentives and rebates factored in, the actual cost of going solar can be much less expensive, making it a far more affordable investment than most people realize. Number 6. How long does it take to install? Here at Mpower Solar, installations typically take around 30 days from start to finish. Permits and weather can slow things down, but once installed and activated, you can start seeing savings immediately. Number 7. Are installers certified, and what warranties do I get? Always ask. Look for an ISERTA certification and valid New York City contractor's license. As for warranties, panels often come with a 25-year warranty, giving you peace of mind long after installation. Want to go deeper? We've only scratched the surface here. You can find more important questions and detailed answers over on our blog at mpowersolar.com. I'll link it in the description below. So there you have it. 7 of the biggest questions New Yorkers ask before going solar. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your number 1 question about going solar? Leave it in the comments below. And if you're ready to see how much you can save, reach out to us at Mpower Solar for a free consultation. Until next time.